In this video, I'm giving you what to do when you are feeling lot of anger or resentment towards someone you love or towards someone very close to you, maybe a family members, maybe your partner, maybe a close friend or someone at your workplace. How to let go of that anger and how to turn it into a positive feeling. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe, this is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And recently we have created many videos relevant to relationship, and so many of you are asking a lot of questions regarding how to heal relationships and how to make it better. And so many of you are already getting positive results. So recently I found many of you are asking like how to remove anger or resentment from a relationship. May it be your love relationship, or may it be with your partner, or may it be with someone with whom you want to heal the relationship. Or in many cases, so many people are carrying a lot of anger and resentment for their parents, for their close friends, for people who are working in their workplace, for people who are very close around them, and they do love them to a certain level and inside their heart, but at the same time, because of some behavior or something that has happened in past, that is stopping them, and every time they are thinking about the person, anger is coming up, resentment is coming up, and they are not able to give positive vibes to these people, or they are not able to feel love for these people. In fact, in many cases, some of you when you want to heal your relationship with your partner or with someone you love, you really want to heal the relationship, but because of something went wrong or something, the way the other person is behaving, it is triggering lot of anger or lot of frustration or sadness inside your heart. So one thing you must understand, that when someone is triggering this anger or this frustration or sadness inside your heart, it is lowering your vibration, and it is not just impacting that relationship, but it's impacting almost everything in your life. Because when your vibration is higher, you manifest better, you manifest faster in all areas of life. And when your vibration is lower, it's difficult for you to manifest things. Maybe your vibration is getting affected by your relationship or the relationship with someone you love, because of their behavior, because of the way they're behaving with you, or because of the way they are talking to you or not talking to you, or the way they are doing something, or the way they have done in past. But when that thing is triggering this negativity, this anger inside you, so it is lowering your vibration, it is impacting almost all other areas in your life. So one thing is, first you need to understand that it is more about what you are carrying inside. It is less about what the other person is doing. Of course, the other person must be doing something which is triggering that anger, but you have been carrying that anger, and that is why you need to do forgiveness and you need to release and all. But there are a lot of practices and a lot of people try to do it, and of course forgiveness is very powerful and help many people. But today I am going to give you a very simple but a very effective technique which will immediately change the energy and immediately change the power, the way you feel, your feelings. That's what will shift immediately, and it will not just help you release that anger or release that resentment or release that triggering, but it will help you send positive vibes to that person, so that not just you could able to overcome the anger, but you could able to make that relationship better. So are you excited about it? I am sure you are. And if you are going through the similar situation and you are looking for this solution, or you were asked for this particular video, do let me know in the comment section. Now, one thing you have to do is bless that person. Yes, bless that person means when you send blessing rather than anger, so you are not just forgiving, or you are not just running away, or you are not just ignoring that person. Like these are many people do these things. Sometimes you ignore the person, sometimes you try to do the forgiveness and detach from the person, sometimes you just want to break the relationship. But those things are also work from situation to situation. But but this is about relationship that you cannot break, right? For example, many people, they have difficulties with their parents, or difficulties with their partner, or difficulties with a very close friend. So in that case, breaking up the relationship or running away or ignoring the person is not the solution. So the best thing is bless that person every time that anger is triggering, so that you are changing that lower emotions, that anger, that resentment, into blessing, something magical. It's not love, it's not positivity. You are taking it to a divine state so that you could able to do it. Right now, I want you to think about a person whose behavior or whose activities or something they have done that trigger negativities in you or anger in you. And when you try to send love to them, it's really difficult, because anger and love, which seems like coming on the same platform on the other side, one is on the negative side, one is on the positive side, and you really not able to feel that sending that love all the time. But when you think about blessing that person means blessing is a much more spiritual, much more divine energy. When you are blessing that person means you are going beyond their mistakes, you are going beyond that negativity, even you are going beyond the love, and you are just letting yourself be a channel of the divine universe or God, and let that divine energy flow, and you are blessing that person. So it will do two magical things in your life. One is, when you focus on blessing the person, you are ready to receive a divine energy from the universe or God or the spiritual being, and then you are channelizing to the other person. So when you do this thing, one thing is, it clean your heart and soul, the negativities or the anger that you have been carrying inside. You could able to release it, and automatically it get clean. Second is, this blessing will reach the other person, so that when the other person is doing something, or maybe if 4 or 5 people are there and they are doing the same thing, you have to bless all of them. So if they are really doing something negative, or if they are intentionally doing something which is triggering that negativities or that anger or resentment in you, if they are doing it, it means they have been carrying some negative energy in them. So when you bless them, this divine energy start reaching to their heart and soul, and they will also drop those negative energies, they will also let go of those negative energies, and you will see a shift happening in their behaviors. You will see a shift happening the way they talk to you. You will see a shift happening the way they do things, which won't trigger that negativities and anger, and which will start making your relationship better. So the most powerful and the divine way to heal any relationship or create a transformation in all kind of relationship is bless that person. And every time, when to do it, every time that anger is triggering, you say that I am blessing this person. You don't have to give any reason why you are blessing. You don't have to say that, oh, I don't have to be angry and I am blessing. No, you just say that I bless so and so, or you take their name. Or let's suppose 4 or 5 people are there, you say that I am blessing so and so. Or every time one person is triggering that anger, start saying that right now I am blessing this person. And if you have people who constantly trigger these negativities or resentment or anger in you, maybe they are close family people, close family members, or close friends or partner and all. So even you can do this practice for 2 to 5 minutes at night before going to sleep. When you lie down on your bed, or before that, if you are doing meditation, at that point even you can keep your hands on your heart, and you just say that I'm blessing. If there is one person, you just focus on that. If you have 2, 3, 4, 5 person in your life, you say that I'm blessing this person, this person, this person, I'm blessing this person. Or you can say I bless you, I bless you, I bless you. And you keep doing it for at least 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, so that at least till the time you start feeling that positive energy really coming. And if you keep doing it on a daily basis for a week time or for 10 days, you will see a significant shift happening within you, and significant shift happening in the other person, especially in the relationship. See, we all know relationships have difficulties because most people are carrying their own subconscious reprogramming from childhood, their own ideas, own activities and all. Mostly no one wants to hurt the other person intentionally. Mostly it's the programming that is running inside the head. But because everyone is unique, everyone is different, everyone's expectations is different, that is why all this conflict and all these things comes up. But if you are a person who understand the divine energy, who understand the power of mind, who understand the spiritual forces, and you desire to live a really joyful and happy and magical life, then you need to initiate this and start blessing the people who are in your life and who are triggering these negativities. It will help you heal your heart, it will help you heal those people from their negativities, and it will magically make your life a truly divine journey. And at the same time, let's suppose some new people are coming up at work, and every time you are meeting some people and a new person came and that person is also triggering this anger or this frustration, you can start blessing them as well. So this thing works whether in your family relationship, love relationship, friendship, and your professional relationships as well. So start this simple technique, simple process, and you see a massive change. You can do this right now. You can pause this video and give blessing to all those people, and you can let me know in the comment section if this video has really helped you, or if you are waiting for something like this, do let me know in the comment section. You deserve to have amazing relationships. Have a great time, take care, stay motivated, stay awesome. This is Awesome Easy. Thank you.